wanted to show you guys a quick update on my single seed challenge because I noticed something super cool. But first you have to look at the world's cutest little tiny basils. Aren't they so cute? Anyways, so this is my single seed. It's a black strawberry heirloom tomato, and look at how purple that stem is. And this is a big plant compared to the other heirlooms I planted at the same time. That's interesting. So beautiful already. And it is just a baby. Let me show you something really quick too, because the light is perfect for this. So when you plant your tomato seedlings out, you want to bury their stem. And like if I was to plant this right now, if it was warm enough, I would bury the stem up to here. But the reason why are these little hairs that you see. All of those have the potential to be roots, and they will be roots if they're in contact with the soil, and then that just makes it that much stronger. So really easy to see in this light right now. Okay, one more thing, just to show you how strong tomato plants are. I came through and thinned the seedlings, and I must have dropped this guy right here like 2 days ago. 100% still alive, and he's just literally just sitting here. And I don't even think it has a little bit of water, but anyway, pretty crazy.